Moving out unwanted clutter can be a challenge. Cleaning up your home to make it a welcoming place doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right preparation, you can easily make room for new memories and experiences in your home with JunkDoctors. Here's what you need to do. 1. Create easy-to-move piles of items that need removal. This makes the job easier for both parties involved. 2. Make sure there is an open pathway from the entrance all the way up to the collection point. This ensures that important safety regulations are followed and time is saved during pickup. 3. Clearly label or bag up any hazardous material such as paint cans, batteries, or motor oil before JunkDoctors arrive so they know how to properly dispose of them. 4. Take pictures of all items that need to be removed so there's traceability should something go missing during transit. 5. Finally, remove any large furniture that might block narrow entryways, and lastly contact JunkDoctors at 973-336-8083 to schedule an appointment. Preparation is key when it comes to making room for new memories in your home. Let us take care of the mess.